Okay guys, we are doing pull workout today, so we will be showing the last set of every exercise. So we'll be doing 3 back movement, 1 rear delt movement and 2 bicep movements. Yeah, so let's get started. We are starting with a single arm pull down. Let's go, let's start. Try the standing one, let's see how it goes.
How you can adjust the bench? I mean,
No, so
bench
it's
is not
just
going forward.
no, just keep my hand there. Normally the whole
Okay.
stress coming from my legs, so I'm not pushing this forward.
Okay.
It's just for the support. I'll
For the
just
support.
pull this.
Feel that.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, that's much
Go down,
better.
squeeze it down there. Nice. Go. Open it up. Now squeeze it. If you guys really want to work on the lower legs part, this is most likely one of the best exercise you can do. It helps you stretch all the way up and then get a good contraction. Stretch and pull all the way down. Squeeze it back. Go. Stretch. Pull.
कम निकले.
पैर बाहर निकालो. Go. Stretch it out. Pull. Don't let it relax at the top.
Okay.
Tension. Stay. Okay. Go up. Maintain the tension. Don't let go. Don't let go.
Okay.
Let go. Now pull it back. Now squeeze it in. Yeah. Go. Don't let go. Maintain. Now pull back. Squeeze in. Go. Maintain tension. Hold it. Now pull.
Okay. So arms की पोजीशन अभी रिस्ट की पोजीशन सुपिनेटेड थोड़ी सी हो रही.
It always has to be either neutral or slightly supinated. ठीक है. Pronation में let's just engage.
Activation खत्म हो जाएगी.
हाँ.
सही है.
10. If you can do 10 comfortably, we'll increase. Yeah. Pass me with DL. Pull your elbow back harder. Squeeze it. I'll go back. Pull. Squeeze. Nice. Go. Pull all the way back. Yep. Go. Pull. Squeeze. Go. Pull. Even short reps, keep going. Give me 3 more reps. Come on. 3 more. Go. Pull. Got 2 more. Go. Pull. 1 more. Go. All squeeze it up. Yep. Down slow. Control. Extend. That's it. Drop.
ग्रिप बहुत वर्स है ना.
Oh, let's do it. I think I'll just add. Can you put 5 inch?
5 more.
5.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go, come on. Go, 1. 2. Come on. Yes. Wait. Squeeze it. Stretch. There you go. You do one more. One more. Squeeze it. There you go.
Elbow थोड़ा सा कम flex रहता है इसमें.
Okay.
But also it's a different length. Movement arm इसका ज़्यादा होगा.
Okay.
ठीक है, wide. 4 मेंबर है. Cut. Don't lean forward. Stay back. Cut. Squeeze it down. Cut. Pull. Squeeze it back. Yes. Go. Pull. Force it down. Up. Extend it up. Now pull fast. Squeeze it. Go. Extend it up. Pull down fast. Squeeze it. Go on. Extend it. Pull. Pull. Squeeze it. Go on.
One more.
Go. Pull. Squeeze. Down. 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 Stay there. Up. Slow. Control it. Extend it out. That's it. My turn. Make me do failure as well. सारा फोन फ्राई हो गया.
Yeah. All the way down. There you go. Come on. Slowly up. There you go. All the way down. Squeeze. Go. Come on. Down, 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 down. Squeeze it down. Slow, slow. Come on. Down. Slowly up, slowly up. Come on. Down, down, down. Slow, 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 slow.
That's it. Oh shit. 12.
12. मैं हर सेट फेलियर कर रहा हूँ, तो मसला तो नहीं है ना. रोज से फेलियर ही मेरा.
मसल गेन हो रहा है.
पर रिकवरी टाइम थोड़ा
रिकवरी
ज़्यादा.
विद टाइम स्लो हो जाएगी. दिस इज वेयर यू टेक डीलोड.
हाँ, डीलोड मैं तो लिया नहीं.
So once you take a deload
So sir, deload for a week.
for a week, recover, then start again.
और डिलोड किस वीक लेना है? When will I
There
realize?
is no
Such thing
specific number. When your performance start go down, take a deload.
पता गई नहीं. सही.
That's all it is. Bicep.
Yeah, incline.
Huh?
Incline ना.
Let's start with standing. Load the muscle first.
So understood. When I'm doing this explosive,
One more.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
नाइस, रियर फ्लाई।
डंबल से ही कर लेते हैं।
Oh man. Whew. Crazy as shit, bro. Ugh.
Last set of the day.
That was failure.
15 रहे।
I thought it was a failure, but
फेलियर में 10 रैप शायद और हो जाएंगे। लेट्स ट्राई।
oof. आज के वर्कआउट में आपने तकरीबन शुरू के 2 सेट में रिजर्व रेप्स छोड़े ना?
हाँ।
मैंने नहीं छोड़े किसी ने भी।
ठीक है, मैं पहले स्टार्ट तुम्हारे वेट के साथ किया था।